let's knit row 8 or row 10, depending on which row you're on together. Those two rows are basically the same. So this is what our piece looks like so far, but let's begin now by turning over our piece to the wrong side so we can proceed with those rows. We will start with our stockinette section, then we will attend the pattern 2, and then another stockinette section with our garter edge stitches. We'll basically knit the knits and purl the purls. So first we will start off by knitting 2. So knit 1 and then knit 2. And now we will need to yarn over in order to purl the next 4. So purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, and purl 4. Then we will yarn over again in order to knit the next 2, as you can see by looking at the previous row where you can see the V's from the knit stitches. Now we have a section of 10 purl stitches coming up. So purl 1, then purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, and then purl 5, you should be seeing that by looking at the previous row that all these 10 stitches are purl stitches. So now knit your 7th purl stitch, then number 8 and number 9, and now you have only one more purl stitch left, so go ahead and purl number 10. You can double check that you have purled all the purls you wanted to purl, so just make sure it adds up to 10, which for me it does. And then we only have 2 more knit stitches coming up, so go ahead and yarn over and then knit 1 and knit 2. We are now approaching the center, so the next sequence is 8 purl stitches, so make sure to yarn over and then go ahead and purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, and purl 4, and the 4th purl marks the center of this piece. So once we have reached that, we will basically mirror everything that we have done so far. So purl the next 4 stitches, and once we have completed those 4 or 8 purls, we will yarn over again in order to knit the next stitches. So go ahead and do that. Yarn over and knit 1 and knit 2. And as before, we now have a sequence of 10 purl stitches coming up. So purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, you loosen everything up a bit, and then you can purl number 5 if it wants to. Sometimes the sheet gets a bit tangled. So now I already finished my 10 purls. It was not filling the part where I was doing the other 5, but for sure purl those. Now we will continue by knitting 2. So knit 1 and then knit 2. Then you will yarn over again in order to purl the next 4 stitches. So purl 1, purl 2, purl 3 and purl 4. Then we can yarn over again so that we can finish off this sequence by knitting 2. So knit 1 and knit 2. So now we are done with pattern 2, and we will just complete the stockinette section with the garter edge stitch. You can turn over to the right side so that you can admire the pattern that we were just doing. So here you can see the V that is forming as pattern 2. Since I'm repeating, it is basically the second round. Underneath you can see the entire pattern. So this is our pattern 2 as the second repetition, as a V that is just starting to form. And here you see all the other cables that we were doing previously. So thank you for watching, and follow for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that.